This is how you add AdMob ads to your app. Go into Publication, scroll down to Monetize your app and select Monetize my app using AdMob. Over at AdMob, you will create your adverts and you'll create different adverts for Android and for iOS. And at AdMob, you will be able to select whether you have banner ID units or interstitial ID units. You'll create those at AdMob, copy them down to a text pad, mark them clearly so you're using the correct ads for either Android or iOS, because it does matter. If you want banner ID, if you want banner ads, pop your banner ID in here. If you want interstitial IDs, put your ID there. And if you want both, put them both in. A banner ID is the type of ad which appears the whole width of the screen, either at the top or the bottom of the screen. An interstitial advert is a full screen advert and it will interrupt the page flow. So if you have an app and you open a page and you put an interstitial advert on it, you will be shown the whole of the interstitial ad before being allowed to go on to the page that you wanted to open. When the interstitial ad opens up, you can either click an X in the top corner to close it, or you can click on the advert to take advantage of it. And then you need to remember to select banner, interstitial, or both. Once you've done that, click Save and carry on producing your app.